The rematch. Oh yeah. Oh, hit my God. No. By the race. Woo. Get it right. They gotta get it. Everybody come to see this race. We can go home after this. There you go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. A lot of money on the line. I stayed about it. Oh, if you don't believe Green Ball here, come over here and talk to me. Y'all come talk to me. Catch me. Y'all can catch me on the hype line. 347. What the rest of it is, man, Andrea? I don't even know my own number. Wednesday night, 8 o'clock, y'all know what we talking about. Y'all know what we talking about. Y'all be here. Hey, I try to tell these boys from Green Ball, y'all get y'all weight up. Them boys from sports surrounding me, but we got that check. Good. We got that check. What do you think?
Man, she was fucked up, bro.
They moved him too much, didn't they? Yeah. They moved him too much. What do you think, Hatch? Oh, he done got paid. Good God almighty.
All I got
what do you think?
That's the holiday fake number.
Keep that tape number since a crime scene. It been a You said.
Good.
Silver bullet break number, no big face. Green cat. Big road. Ain't nothing to cut that bitch off. We come from the bottom of white planet.
Look at the tape, man.
That real fucking
What that tape said? What that tape said?
scene. It been a motherfucking murder. Do not cross. Do not cross.
They don't know. A motherfucking silver bullet made to kill werewolf. That werewolf on that day. Chop his goddamn head off. That werewolf is dead.
Oh, what? Y'all wait.
Yeah, you the new reporter, man.
Yeah, but that's all I need to know. I don't need to say that.
Somebody shot a dog over there. And Peter over there. Oh, no. There's been a werewolf. Werewolf. Got a silver bullet got it. Okay. So I got some information. It was a